Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time checking in, please click that subscribe button down below, and remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. When you are riding a bike, it's very important to check your tire pressures pretty much daily. I've found that my tire pressures do vary, and I've had to air these up in the 3 weeks that I've had the bike. I've had to air it up 3 or 4 times. So when it comes to checking tire pressures on the bike, it's really simple. I have an air pressure gauge. I hook it up and it's easy. But the rear tire, if you're in a hurry, the rear tire can be kind of a pain in the ass. And the reason is that these saddlebags, there's only really like a quarter of the tire exposure where that valve stem is accessible to check the tire pressure. So I started looking into other means of kind of keeping an eye on pressures. And I came across this Fobo bike system, which is a Bluetooth tire pressure monitoring system. This building is really cool, by the way, with all these plants dangling off. Pretty cool here in Scottsdale. So I started looking into some tire pressure monitoring system. You know, really the one that I came up with is this Fobo bike, which is basically just it's a Bluetooth monitoring system. Hooks up basically through your phone and just screws onto the valve stem, and it'll alert your phone via Bluetooth if your pressures are low. So before you get on the bike every day, essentially you can be checking the tire pressure, and you know, that's invaluable. And some people might say that it isn't necessary to do that. However, if you're riding a bike, I implore you to look up tank slappers. That was pretty much the only thing I needed to get me to look into tire pressures. Basically, if your tire pressure is low, you can get yourself into a situation, lose control, and basically get heaved off the bike. Not a good day. So this Fobo bike, it's a really cool system. Basically, for under $100, you can have this tire pressure monitoring system that is actively monitoring it pretty much all the time. If it drops below, even in my helmet, I'll get a ding as a notification because I have notifications on my phone. It'll tell me like, hey, your pressure's running low. This system doesn't really need a whole lot of explanation as far as what it does, and in my opinion, the best tech is the tech that really doesn't need an explanation, because you know what it is, you know you need it, you hook it up, it works, and it works really well. So in my opinion, this is the best modification that I'll probably make to my bike as far as you know, safety. You know, I did upgrade the LEDs and all that stuff, which, you know, that's great for safety. But as far as like dollars to donuts, what I think, come over, what I think, as far as for what it costs, the ease of installation, which literally was just screw them on, pair it to your phone, and you have a tire pressure monitoring system. It's worked really well in the last 2 days that I've tested it. I was able to verify its accuracy with my other tire pressure gauge, which has been great. I've had it with my truck for, geez, probably like 3 years now, and I use it all the time, and it's been the most reliable gauge that I've had. So I used that to double check when I hooked this all up. And the Fobo bike sensors were right on target. So it's accurate, it works. You can set whatever your pressures are for your specific bike, and man, it's just real easy. So for the unboxing, I was really impressed with the presentation. It's got this little box. It's magnetic. You open it up, and you're kind of greeted with the product. You just pull off your existing valve stem cover, screw the Fobo bike sensor on, pair it to your phone, and you get your tire pressure sent to your phone. It's really that simple. So I would highly recommend this. I mean, I've had it on for a couple days. I will do a longer term review on this once it's had some time to sit in the elements here. You know, the heat in the sun certainly is a really good indicator of a product's quality, being able to sit out to that kind of exposure. So I will do a longer term review of that. So, you know, again, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, quick product demonstration, show you what it is, and the link in the description below for the product. If you're interested, by all means click that. It'll take you over to Amazon and give you current prices and availability. Again, Fobo bike is for the 2 tires, and then they also have a Fobo car, or whatever they call it, which for 4 tires. So you can actually use this on your car if you don't have a TPMS built into your car. And then they actually have it for like tractor trailers and stuff too. So it's really a great system. I would highly recommend it. So again, thank you very much for watching. Please click that subscribe button down below. And remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. And enjoy your weekend.